Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be my September Boxycharm unboxing. Of course, I'm doing it like a try-on style like I do every month. So I used everything in here to create this makeup look today. So if you want to see what I got in my September box, all the goodies inside of here, and how I use them to create this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so the only thing I have on my skin right now is some foundation, powder, and concealer, and then my brows are filled in. But I didn't do any of the rest of my makeup because we're gonna get right into the box. The theme this month is wildflower, and we do have 5 items in the box this month. This month I did just get the regular September box. I did not get the Boxy Luxe. I know that was like a huge thing this month to, you know, get the Boxy Luxe since it was the first month that it was available to purchase. And basically, if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's basically where you pay a little over double the price of the regular box. So you pay the $21 and then you pay an extra $28, I believe, and then you get a bigger box with more than double the products. So I think there was 11 products in the Boxy Luxe this month, but I wasn't able to get it because it was all sold out. I'll probably be doing like a story time or something like that along the lines of kind of what I dealt with customer service and everything, because I wasn't too happy with it, but I'm not going to talk about it in this video just because I want to just talk about the September box. So this is just the regular September box. You can still get it, of course, if you subscribe within this month. You'll still be able to get the September Boxycharm with some of these items. They do have, of course, some variations, but you can go on their Instagram and see what other products they have in the box. But anyways, let's just get started. So this is what the box looks like this month. We have a palette and then some other products in here. Alright, I'm gonna start off with this right here, and this is a cheek product. This is the Laura Geller New York Baked Blush and Brighten, and this one is in the shade Tropic Hues, and this is what this looks like right here. It's just a baked blush. This is it right here. It's like a berry color. That's actually really pretty. It has that shimmer in there, so it'll look really, really nice on the cheeks, I hope. You get a mirror in there as well. It's supposed to be long wearing. It's infused with skin loving antioxidants. It's paraben free, so that sounds amazing. And this one retails for $28, so of course it is more of a high-end product. But I've tried Laura Geller products in the past. I've tried like their highlighters, and I've been really impressed with their baked highlighters, so very excited to try out this blush today. I'm just going to be grabbing this Morphe E4 brush right here to apply this to my cheeks, and I'm just going to dip into here. A little powdery, so as you can see, I got some kick back right there, but that's okay. It doesn't bother me that much. Just make sure I'm tapping off my brush. I'm gonna start off with a light layer just because I don't know how pigmented it will be, and then we can kind of go from there. I do like that it has a little bit of a mirror, but then you can still see the compact if you get more colors of these. Color is really pretty. So as you can see, it just added a nice light rosy tint to my cheeks, but I am gonna build it up here just because I do really think it's pretty. That's so pretty. Wow. I'm usually not one to go for like berry blushes. Either I go for like mauves or I stick to like the peaches. So this is a little bit different for me, but I actually really like it. I think it's gorgeous, and it has those like gold flecks in there. I don't know if you can see it, so it's just really like bringing life back to my skin, and it's not like hard to go too heavy-handed with it. Like I'm really kind of digging in there to get that more rosy look, and it's really, really pretty. Yeah, and I love like the gold in there. You can kind of see it. It looks like I applied a little bit of highlighter. Can't say more about it. I do like that a lot. Alright, since we did use that Laura Geller blush, I'm just going to finish off my face makeup with some highlighter, and I'm going to use this Laura Geller Baked Highlighter in the shade Gilded Honey. This is like a cult favorite. It's like everyone's favorite, or it was everyone's favorite at a point on YouTube. It's really gorgeous. Look at that. I'm just going to top that off because I think it will really, really look nice with the gold that's in the blush there. So the next product in the box is a palette, and this is the Pretty Vulgar Smokey eyeshadow palette. So this is what this looks like right here. The packaging looks like a book or something, like a little fairy tale book, and then it opens up like this, and again that packaging, like it's like the little bird's cage, very, very cute. This is like a cool tone palette, which I'm very interested to see how it works, because if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know I'm obsessed with my warm toned eyeshadow shades. I don't really dip into cool tone shades that often, but I'm definitely interested to, you know, kind of step outside of my comfort zone and try this out. You get a nice mirror in here as well, which is nice. The packaging is actually very, very nice on this. So it has 12 shades in this, and it retails for $35. I've never tried anything from Pretty Vulgar. I know they're at Sephora and everything, but this will be my first time using them, so I'm very excited. And along with that, to apply the eyeshadows, we actually got some brushes in the box this month, which is so exciting. I love getting brushes in Boxycharm. So these ones right here are by the brand Alamar Cosmetics, which we've already gotten stuff from them in the past. We got the Olimar palette, which is this one right here, in the June box, and this is one of my new favorite palettes. That's why I keep it on display. It's so gorgeous, such an amazing eyeshadow palette. So when I saw that we'd get the brushes this month, I was so excited. So you get 3 brushes in this set, and they retail for $18. So you get the fluffy like crease brush that will be like perfect for the crease. You also get a little flat brush that you could like use to do your brow bone highlight, your inner corner, or even like pack on a shade. And then you get this really nice like liner brush that I'll probably use like to get really close up in there, or even you could use this for your brows or something. So yeah, that's awesome. So let's just get right on into doing this eye look. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this little seal off the mirror so that I can actually use it. Yeah, it's a really nice mirror actually. I like that it's long like this, because then you can see your whole face rather than like portions like this. So I do really like that. I'm gonna dip into the shade Hide and Seek with the like fluffy brush here. Oh, it's actually not kicking back at all. I always expect mattes to kick back a little bit, but this one's not. Let's see. When I tap it off, it does, of course, but nothing in the pan. So that's good. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put this in the crease just to start and build a transition shade. This brush has very long bristles, so it's just kind of dispersing the shadow kind of everywhere, which is perfect for a transition shade. I'm gonna take the shade Flip Out. This one's a little more crumbly, but that's fine. It doesn't bother me. Because this brush is kind of flat at the top, I'm going to use this to kind of pack it on the outer corner and then blend it out into my crease. Alright, I'm going to dip into the shade Swoop right here with that liner brush, this dark brown shade. And I'm going to press this against my lash line, just at the outer corner, and then kind of like swipe it upwards to blend it. I'm also gonna dip into the shade After Midnight. I like that this shade's not black. They also do have a black shade, which is nice, but this one's like kind of like a charcoal, but it doesn't have that much blue in it, so it's nice because it kind of twists up the look a little bit. And I'm gonna also use this on that outer. This brush is really nice. I like this little liner brush actually. I'm gonna dip back into my fluffy brush and kind of just build up that brown shade some more, really smoke this look out. I'm gonna use my finger to apply the shade Clutch. It's just a pretty like rose gold taupey shade, and I'm gonna apply this all over the lid with my finger first. I'm gonna use some MAC Fix Plus. And I'm going to take that little brush here that we haven't used and wet my brush real quick. Gonna dip back into that shade Clutch, really get it on there, and apply this. This is a really detailed brush, so you can really like, I feel like for cut creases or something, this brush would be perfection because you could really get precise. Ooh, and wet, it's applying amazingly, like super metallic and beautiful. I'm gonna take the shade Break Free right here. It's at the top. It's like a silvery shade. I'm just grabbing a little bit of that and applying it over top to brighten this eye look a little bit. It has shimmer in it, so it just kind of made this look more glittery, but that's really pretty. And then to blend it into the crease, I'm just gonna take those brown shades and blend it into that outer corner. Alright, I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back to finish up the eye look. Alright guys, so I just did both eyes and now I just feel like I should add just a little bit of the shade called I Spy. It's like a darker brown bronze shade. I'm gonna use this to blend together the like shimmer shade we use and the outer corner. I just want to add a little something. The shade's really pretty. I could imagine like a really nice smoky eye with this. Ooh, that looks so nice. So I just placed it a little bit there. Just do it on this side too. I will say I do like this palette. I think these shades are nice and easy to blend out. I like these shimmer shades. Is it exactly shades I would use all the time? No, but I am completely open to trying out new products. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking a little pencil brush with the shade Hide and Seek. I'm just going to be buffing this all over that lower lash line. I'm going to be dipping slightly into Flip Out, that dark brown. Concentrating this a little closer and then blending it down. And then I'm going to be taking that little liner brush and I'm going to be taking the shade Swoop. And I'm just going to be pressing this right up against my lashes. I'm actually just going to clean the little flat brush off. And I'm going to be dipping into the shade Nocturnal and Pillow Fight, mixing those together and using that on my brow bone. And then I'm going to be mixing the shade Pillow Fight and Break Free for my inner corner. That's nice. That's nice and pretty. And bright. A bright inner corner always just completes the whole look. Alright, so my thoughts on the palette are actually really good. I do like the quality of the palette and everything like that. Everything blended out really nicely and I like the look I came out with. It is a little different for me, but yeah, I really enjoyed this. The brushes are absolutely amazing and I love all three of them equally. And I can also see myself using all three of them for my everyday makeup looks. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. The quality is amazing, super soft. And they're like three just essential brushes and these are the only brushes I really used other than that little pointed lower lash line brush. But these were very easy to complete this eye look with, so do like these. Alright, moving right along, I have a liquid liner to try out, and this is the Butter London Glazen eyeliner. So this is a liquid liner, and it retails for $19. It's supposed to be like a soft metallic liner that glides effortlessly, enhances the eyes, blah blah. Okay, so it says to shake this before using it, so I'm just gonna do that. So here is what the liner looks like. It's just a regular liner. Ooh, it is kind of shiny. It is really shiny. Not the most black eyeliner, but we'll see how it goes. I don't know, because it's like not super black, like it's kind of like that metallicness. I don't know if I love it. Alright guys, so here is what the liner looks like. I don't know if I love it just because it is that metallic liner. It kind of looks like from some angles like I missed a part of my liner, or I just did like not a precise job and it's kind of like messy, if that makes sense. If you like more natural liner and you like it to kind of work so that it kind of blends into your eyeshadow, I think this is a great product. But for me, when I do liquid liner, I want that line to really stand out, and this is just not the ideal product for me. It was super easy to apply, I'll give it that. I like the applicator and everything like that. The formula is a little bit watery, but I can get past that. Like, it was very easy to apply still. It's just the color that's a little off for me, so that's kind of my only complaint, but it was like an okay product. I just applied some mascara and lashes, and I'm just wearing the Kiss Pixie 02 lashes. If you guys are wondering, they're just very like wispy natural lashes, so I thought they went perfect with this look. Let's just keep on moving. The last product in the box is a lip product, which will definitely finish off this look. So this is the Hank and Henry liquid lipstick. This retails for $17, and this one is in the shade Petal Pusher, so it's just a beautiful like pinky rose color. It's actually really pretty, and I think it will go good with this look. So it's a long wearing liquid lipstick that glides on smoothly. It's infused with vitamin E, which I absolutely love vitamin E. If you guys know, I use vitamin E every single day. I use it as a mask, I use it in my moisturizer, I use it in my makeup, everything. I love vitamin E, so that's awesome. It says that it's a full coverage matte finish that never dries your lips and never transfers. We'll see about that. So I've never tried out this brand before, but a lot of people were very excited to get this product in the box, so I'm happy to get to try it out. And I actually didn't even know it was a liquid lipstick. I thought it was like a regular lipstick, but it's not. So I do really like the packaging. I think it's a gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. This is what the applicator looks like. Let's just do a little swatcheroo here. So here's the color, a very beautiful color. Ooh, love that. I think that'll look awesome. You guys know how these lip try-ons go. I'm not gonna apply a lip liner. We're just gonna go right in and pray for the best. Ooh, I love this color. Wow. That applies so smoothly, I have to say that. Very, very comfortable. I'm gonna give it a few minutes to dry down just to see what the finish is like. Alright guys, so I gave it a couple minutes to dry down, and it kind of dries down to like a powder, like a velvet matte. It does kind of transfer a little bit. Like you can see, I did apply a lot on my hand here though. So I don't think it's like gonna be a completely transfer proof product, but I do think it's gonna resist a little bit. Like, it's not gonna completely come off. I do see how it can be very, very long lasting, but still comfortable because my lips don't feel dry at all. It's still like I can move my lips around, doesn't feel overly tacky or anything. So I really, really like the formula on this. I was not expecting to love this so much, but I do, and I definitely want to try more of these Hank and Henry liquid lipsticks now. Alright guys, so that was it for the September Boxycharm. I am obsessed with how my makeup turned out, and I really enjoyed this month's box way more than I thought I would. I didn't think I'd love this box so much, but 4 out of 5 products I'm definitely going to be using a lot, incorporating them. The eyeliner, again, as I said, wasn't my favorite, but it wasn't a bad product either, so I'm actually really impressed with this month's box. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you got in your September Boxycharm if you got a September box, and let me know if you got like the Boxy looks or something and how you like it and everything. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!